Hello, viewer. Welcome to our channel Journey to Bliss, your go-to destination for all things travel. Today we have a special treat for all you beach lovers out there. We are going to share some invaluable travel tips for planning your next beach vacation. Whether it's Goa, Kerala, the Andaman Islands, or any other stunning coastal destination, these tips will ensure you have a memorable and stress-free trip. So, let's dive right in. Choose the right beach destination. First things first, when planning your beach vacation, it's crucial to choose the right destination. India offers a wide variety of beautiful coastal spots, each with its own unique charm. Research the weather, local culture, and activities to find the perfect fit for your interests and preferences. Pack smart. Packing is always a big part of any trip. For a beach vacation, pack lightweight clothing, swimwear, sunscreen, and sunglasses. Don't forget to bring a beach bag to carry essentials like towels, water, and snacks. And remember to pack a first aid kit, just in case. Learn basic local phrases. To make the most of your beach vacation, learn a few basic phrases in the local language. This will not only help you communicate with the locals but also show respect for their culture. Simple greetings and thank yous can go a long way in creating positive interactions. Respect the environment. One of the golden rules of beach travel is to respect the environment. Carry reusable water bottles, avoid using single-use plastics, and clean up after yourself. Let's keep our beaches clean and beautiful for generations to come. Stay hydrated and protected. The sun can be scorching at the beach, so staying hydrated is essential. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, and remember to reapply sunscreen regularly to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. Try local cuisine. Exploring local cuisine is a must on any vacation and beach destinations. Try the seafood, enjoy tropical fruits, and savor the flavors of the region. Don't forget to indulge in some beachside snacks and street food for a truly authentic experience. Water sports and activities. Beach vacations offer a lot of water sports and activities. Whether it's parasailing, jet skiing, or simply building sandcastles, make sure to partake in some beach fun. Be sure to check safety regulations and always wear life jackets when necessary. Plan your budget. Before you set off on your beach adventure, plan your budget carefully. Be mindful of expenses like accommodation, food, activities, and souvenirs. This will help you avoid any financial stress during your trip. Experience local culture. While the beach is the star of the show, don't miss out on exploring the local culture. Visit nearby villages, attend cultural events, and interact with the locals to gain a deeper understanding of the destination's heritage. Capture memories. Last but not least, don't forget to capture memories of your beach vacation. Take photos and videos to cherish those beautiful moments. But remember, sometimes the best memories are made when you put the camera down and simply enjoy the beauty of the beach. And there you have it, our top travel tips for embarking on a beach vacation. We hope these tips help you have a fantastic and unforgettable time at the beach. If you have any more tips or experiences to share, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all our travel adventures. Until next time, happy beach hopping!